Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make the only egg mayo sandwich you will ever need. We begin by perfectly boiling our eggs. Take 6 large, fresh eggs and place them in a saucepan. Cover them with about 1 inch of cold water. Bring the water to a rolling boil, then turn off the heat, cover the pan, and let them sit for exactly 10 minutes. Immediately transfer them to an ice bath to stop the cooking process and cool them quickly. Once your eggs are perfectly cooled, it is time to peel and chop them. Gently tap each egg on a hard surface and roll it to create many small cracks. Peel them under cold, running water. This helps the shell come off cleanly. Next, use a fork or an egg slicer to chop the eggs into small, consistent pieces. We want a fine, even texture for our delicious filling. Now for the heart of our sandwich, the creamy mayonnaise mixture. In a medium bowl, combine 1/2 cup of your favorite high-quality mayonnaise. Add 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard. This provides a wonderful, subtle tang. Season with 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1/8 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper. Gently fold in your chopped eggs until they are completely coated and the mixture is uniform. Finally, it is time to assemble your incredible egg mayo sandwich. Choose 2 slices of your favorite bread. A soft white or a hearty whole wheat works wonderfully. Spread a generous, even layer of your delicious egg mayonnaise mixture onto 1 slice of bread. Carefully place the second slice on top, gently pressing down. Your perfect egg mayo sandwich is now ready to enjoy immediately, or you can chill it for up to 2 days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.